Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star resort.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the resort location, nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this resort, you can go to agoda.com.
Its review rating is 8.9, which is the excellent. Room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and images, etc. Room category 2. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 6. Room category 7. Room category 8. Room category 9. Room category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this resort. As you can see on the screen, in this property, 10 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the resort is attractive and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this resort is 3 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 10 a.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this resort, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this resort, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking or get more details about this resort, please check the description. If you have visited this resort, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then you must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming resort. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.